Hello friends, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to talk about fine indoor plants that we can keep in our house which can make our house green and clean, because nowadays we're hearing a lot about quality of air going down, and the same is also true in indoors. The air that we breathe in our house is also not that cleaner. So, uh, without wasting much of a time, let's start. So, the first plant that is very well known to many of you is the snake plant. So, snake plant is one of the plant uh, which is very effective in purifying the air quality of your house. The name snake plant, please don't get fooled by the name snake plant. It has nothing to do with the snake. The name is given only because of the shape of these plants. These plants grow uh, vertically, which gives it a little appearance of a snake. So that's why these are called snake plants. It has nothing to do with these plants being attracting snake and all. So that's all a myth. So these plants, there are different varieties of snake plants. I have three varieties here with me. So these plants are very useful because their water requirement is mm, very less. You need to give water to these plants only once in a week, and their sunlight requirement is also very less. They don't require direct sunlight. You can keep them in a place where it gets indirect sunlight, so it's perfect for your indoor indoor requirements. It cleans uh, the toxins in the air. It makes the air quality better in your house. So these plants are perfect for your house because they are very less maintenance. uh, their requirements are very minimalistic. You don't have to care too much about these plants. So yeah, the number one is snake plant. The second plant that is uh, that you can keep in your house is areca palm. So areca palm are very beautiful plants. These are the areca palm that I have in my house, in my hall. So these plants uh, also don't require uh, also these plants are also very good for your indoor requirement. They clean the air in your house. The only thing is these plants are very you need to care. You need to take care of these plants. These plants requirement are a little higher. So if you don't water them for a couple of days, or if you don't water them for a week, their leaves will start turning brown like this. The tips will start turning brown, and they also are heavy eaters, so you need to give fertilizers to them on regular basis, at least once in a month or 1.5 month is a must for these plants. But these are very beautiful plants. They make your place look very beautiful, and there are different varieties of areca plants that you can go for, but these are also very good air purifiers. The third one is this tiny spider plant. So this spider plant name comes from the spider, as you can obviously guess, because of the way it grows. It gives the appearance of a jungle to your place. This is also a very good air purifier. It removes the toxin from the air, and it makes your house green and beautiful as well. So that is number three, spider plant. The number four that we have is again a very well known plant, that is pothos, or devil's ivy, or the commonly known name in India is money plant. So I have different varieties. I have three varieties here for pothos. So these pothos are again very easy to grow. You can grow these plants from a cutting. You can grow these plants in water. You can plant them in small pots in soil, and you can keep these plants where you can provide indirect sunlight. Again, they don't need much of a water. You need to give them water maybe once in 2-3 days. Don't water them every day. It will kill these plants. The only thing you have to take care is just keep on checking for any pest or anything under the leaves for these plants. Otherwise these plants are very good to go. You can plant, you can hang them. They look very beautiful when you hang them in the house, or when you put them in bottles. They are very pretty plants. So that is the fourth one, pothos, devil ivy. So the fifth one, so if you are someone who is who is very passionate about traveling on, or who doesn't get much of a time for plants and all, but you still want to get one plant for improving the air quality or for decorating your home, but taking care is something which is not your cup of tea, then probably you should go for this plant over here, which is known as Zanzibar or ZZ plant. These plants are again a very forgiving plant. This ZZ plants has very less requirement of water, very less requirement of sunlight. So if you water them once in 10 days or 15 days, they're okay with it. If you can put these plants in dark spots, they grow well. You can put them in partial sunlight, shady areas, they're okay with that. So it's like they're very forgiving. The only thing that you have to take care about these plants, this ZZ plant, is that you should not overwater them. So the root rotting is the one thing that can kill these plants. So never overwater these pothos, and actually that is true for most of the indoor plants. You don't have to water them every day. So that is again the best part of it, because you don't have to take care of these plants every day. You just have to water them twice or thrice in a week. So that's pretty much